Hello, welcome to Kaelan's Train Vlogs. Today I'm back here, well, I'm not back here, I've never been here. I'm just been going on a bike ride with Harley. And we came down here, tram up there. It will shortly be coming down here. Sorry about the wobbly camera. Can you see it? Oh, there's another tram behind it. Yeah. So me and Harley are probably just riding down to the bike track right now. Chilling here while two trams come down. Don't ask me what class they are. I literally have no idea. The bells are going off. This used to be the old Royal National Park branch. But now in 1991, they converted this into the tramway. Sorry about the wobbly camera, it's a bit windy. Here we've got two trams coming down at once. The first one is 1979, and the next one is a Melbourne tram 611. Yeah, that will go to the Royal National Park station and return. I'm probably not going to film its return, but yeah.
Thanks for watching Kaelan's Train Vlogs, y'all.
Yeah, basically. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. There are the rails.
Yeah, look at them rails, y'all. Look at them rails. Are they electric?
No,
Oh.
they're run by that. The
No,
wires up there.
touch that?
Yes, you can.
Let's go.
Yeah, and I'm not going to film the return because it might take a bit. Both the drivers are going to switch and...
Start Kaelan's Train Vlogs or I'll have to follow the way to make your Minecraft account.
Yeah. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too to never miss out on another video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Say bye.